Dear beloved, we are gathered here today in the sight of God and these witnesses to celebrate the union of Mia and Care in holy matrimony. Marriage is a sacred bond, a covenant between two individuals who commit to love and support each other for the rest of their lives. Mia and Care have prepared vows to share with one another. Mia, please begin.
Kier, from the moment I met you, I knew my life would change forever. Today, in front of our loved ones, our Creator, I vow to love you unconditionally, to stand by your side through all of life and challenges. I promise to support you, to encourage you, and cherish you as my partner. With you, I am home, and with you, I am complete. I love you more than words can express, and I will spend the rest of my days showing you just how much you mean to me.
Care, it is now your turn to share your vows.
Mia, when I look into your eyes, I see my future and all the happiness it holds. Today, I make this promise to you. I promise to be your partner in every aspect of our lives, to stand with you through laughter and tears, triumphs and challenges. I promise to listen with you with an open heart, to respect you, and to honor you for the incredible person that you are. With you, I am the best version of myself, and I am grateful for the love and the light you bring into my life. I love you, and now and forever.
These vows you have exchanged are a testament to the love and commitment you share. May the guide you as journey through life together. Care, do you take Mia to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, for this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
Yes, I do, Father.
Mia, do you take care to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, for this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
Mula ngayon
Yes, I do.
hanggang dulo, ikaw at ako